Let's see.
Hey guys, it's
What happened?
hey guys, it's Ava's channel, and I just picked up a white spotted roly-poly, and I don't know if you'll like and subscribe my channel, but this is actually pretty cool, cause I never got to hold one of these things.
Cool.
So, if you want to know what I'm up to, check on avas.com on Ava's Human Me Mindset.
What is it called?
Ava's Human Me Mindset. You can look on my website.
Oh, I didn't know you had a website yet.
Oh, not my website. My channel. Yeah,
I didn't know you had a channel yet.
I do.
What's the name?
It's Krabby.
Krabby. Okay. Let's go, my love. Time to go to
I
school.
gotta let him down. Bye, Krabby.
Hi, Krabby.
Ah, Krabby doesn't want to leave.
He's going to your bracelets.
He's tickling me.
There, flip him back over.
They can flip themselves back over. You know? Look.
Let's see. He's trying. He's struggling. I think you should help him. There you go.
I told you they can flip over by themselves.
Cool.